Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about three confusing terms which are Trousseau sign, Troisier sign of latent tetany and Trousseau sign of malignancy. Friends, we have already made videos on full ECG series and many videos on NEET PG. You can also view those videos after this. First is Trousseau sign. For knowing Trousseau sign, you should know what is Virchow lymph node or Virchow node. It is left supraclavicular lymph node which can be felt in supraclavicular fossa as shown in this diagram. Now what is Trousseau sign? It is enlarged and hard Virchow's node. And what is its significance? Virchow's node take their supply from lymph vessels in abdominal cavity, and therefore it is sentinel lymph nodes of cancers in abdomen, particularly gastric, ovarian, testicular and kidney carcinomas. Differential diagnosis includes lymphoma, carcinoma of breast, various infections, etc. Next is Trousseau sign of latent tetany. This sign is observed in patient with hypocalcemia. It is called a sign of latent tetany because this sign may be positive before other manifestation of hypocalcemia such as hyperreflexia and tetany. Then how to elicit this sign? The blood pressure cuff is placed around the arm and inflated to a pressure gradient higher than the systolic blood pressure and held in the place for 3 minutes. This will occlude the brachial artery. In the absence of blood flow, patients with hypocalcemia will develop spasm of muscles of hand and forearm. The wrist and metacarpophalangeal joints flex and the distal and proximal interphalangeal joints extend and the fingers adduct as shown in the figure. And this sign is also called as hand of an obstetrician because it resembles the position of obstetrician hand while delivering a baby. And last is Trousseau sign of malignancy or Trousseau syndrome. It is also known as migratory thrombophlebitis. It is an inflammation of veins from thrombus which are recurrent and appears on different locations with time, hence named as migratory. This syndrome is particularly associated with pancreatic, gastric and lung carcinomas. So friends, this was all about this video. Do like and subscribe our channel and also share it among your friends. Do watch our other videos on various topics. Thank you.